Hello friends, welcome to another review of my Bitcoin and my crypto predictions. We have Bitcoin, we have Solana, and we also cover DOT very quickly. So today is 25th of December and it's very near the end of the month, guys. So Merry Christmas to all of you. I wish you a good day with your family, with your friends, or whatever, guys. Just have a great time, will you? So this time, this day falls within this green circle right here, 2526. We have a potential impulse on these days now since the start of the day, which is somewhere around here, which is right around here. It's been an uptrend, but it's not really that dramatic, like extremely volatile. It's kind of a range. You actually see that the price has not really changed, not really moved that much considering the initial position. But this can change in a couple of days, guys, because these next days, 26, 27, 28, are also green days. So we can expect maybe tomorrow another more strong green energy. For today, it's technically a green day, but it's very, very small. But we can maybe expect the price to jump a little bit higher in the next coming days. I think the peak is, like I was saying in my previous videos, around these dates, 27, 28. These are the days where we can expect the price to reach the highest, I would like to say the highest position in the month, meaning that it will have to be equal or greater than this one. But I don't think that's going to be possible because the corrections that we saw, by the way that I predicted right here, are very strong and basically reduce Bitcoin from 180k all the way down to 92k. So to recover from that is going to take a lot of time. This can happen in a couple days because Bitcoin is really that volatile, but we need to be prepared and we need to be also conscious that this correction is quite big. So to recover from that, it's going to take some time. And it really depends, guys, because if it reaches a good enough position, for example, right around here, 105k, it could be a good position. Maybe even lower could be still, but I really hope that we can reach higher than this. In any case, I already think that for myself, I will take some profits around these dates because the next days are basically all red. From what I told you in my last video, January looks like it's going to be also a red month. It will actually be the first red month for a time. I think the last one was, if I remember my notes, I don't have the time to check them out right here, but it was around like 4 or 5 months ago, something like that. So if that's the case, January will be the first red month after that. So it's going to be significant. Now, there's nothing really yet. I cannot really say for sure it's going to be that way because I still have to make the chart for the daily predictions for the month of January. Maybe that will give me more of an idea, but in the monthly time frame, it's what it's showing in my predictions. It's basically what it tells me. So we need to be prepared for that. Now, many people also have been asking for a tutorial, for some kind of explanation, some instructions on how to read the charts. I'm thinking it's very simple to do this, but for some reason, some people are maybe very confused by the circles. They have never seen anything like this before, so I think I'll have to make this tutorial. So it's going to be a short video just explaining to you all how to read the charts. It's very easy, but anyways. Other than that, guys, it's going to be basically, I think this is the last video for the week. So yeah, guys, I think this is going to be the last video of the week. So you will see me again maybe on January, I think. So you have the time to give me your suggestions regarding the next crypto that you want me to cover. For example, DOT was a subscriber asked for this prediction right here for DOT. So if you want another one, I think I make Ethereum because I have one subscriber that already told me to make a chart for Ethereum. So yeah, I think it's going to be that. But anyways, if you still have suggestions, just put it in the comments and I'll take them into account for the next month or whatever. But yeah, this is so far the outlook for Bitcoin. I told you guys many times before, these are the days that I am really waiting for, and after that I'm taking some profits. Now, I'm not saying you should do that. You should always trust your guns and go with it. But just guys, my predictions are extremely accurate. They are no joke. I predicted this crash. I gave you the exact dates. And just like that, I am also predicting a nice pump right here. My only worry is that it might not be as strong, as bullish as I originally thought, because I originally planned for these days to be even higher than this, on the 110 range. But yeah, that's how life is sometimes. So anyways, let's go to the Solana chart, and Solana is ripping right here, very powerful. It's still basically nothing compared to the previous levels. I mean, this is, for example, the start of December. So from that to the current position is still a solid 20% away, something like that. So it's nothing compared to this, but at least it's a very nice and powerful impulse. But I mean, guys, this only comes after such a massive crash and non-stop crashing, non-stop trending red days. I mean, this is just very bad for Solana, terrible for Solana. Meme coins, most of them have not been affected. Some of them do have problems, but others, like Filecoin, they're just keeping going up and up and up, reaching new heights every time. But yeah, this is a chart for Solana. Like I told you in other videos, the Solana chart also shows the 27-28 range of days as a possible impulse. So already we have Bitcoin and Solana sharing those days as green days. So yeah, like I was saying, I am really taking some profits on these days. After that, for Solana, it shows more volatility. Again, this could be more undecided volatility, not the good kind of volatility, because Bitcoin has it on the red. Unless if we see otherwise, maybe we can see basically the beginning of the altcoin season. Okay, the altcoin season is not going to show up in a day, in a single day, or in a single week. It's going to take some time to develop. Okay, so be prepared for that. And look, just like I told you, let's take a look at the dot chart very quickly. Okay, so the dot chart, very experimental, very experimental. I really like this chart, but I really also, but at the same time, feel that it's necessary, it's vital to have these circles. Otherwise, it's kind of going hunting without a rifle, you know? So yeah. Today is 25, again, nothing but range in the last 2 weeks, something like that, for DOT, except for the big dips that we observe all across the markets on the 19, 20, and 18th of December, all the way from the 17th of December. So yeah, it's basically all range and range and range. For example, this is basically the day of today, guys. This is the 25th of December, basically all a range. And the 24th of December was basically just barely interesting day. So really not much to say about DOT. It's, like I said before, we need to watch out for this range of days, 27, 28. I think these days could present a good opportunity. Maybe DOT can, if very lucky, can go way up, like at least to its previous position. But if I'm honest with you guys, I think it's going to be more like half of that, like a partial, because this is already 13%. It's way too much. So yeah, maybe just expect something more conservative. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Again, wish you a good day. Wish you a good Merry Christmas, all of that. Invite you all to subscribe, share, like, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.